Hi, hello Prateek, how are you?
Hello, yes, I am fine. And how about you?
I'm also pretty well. So please tell about yourself.
Yes, my name is Prateek Gupta, and I am a student reading in ninth class. And like my hobbies are to play games and like play games, readings, and cycling
Okay, so in which school do you go?
in Vandana International.
Okay, you told that you are in ninth standard.
Yes,
Okay, so so please tell about that. What do you want to be in future?
yes, I want to become doctor in future,
Okay, you want to become a doctor. So what's your favorite subject?
like science and maths.
Okay, how many family members do you have?
Like in home, there are three: me, my parents.
Okay, so that means you come from nuclear family. Okay, so uh, do you belong to Delhi or in another state?
Actually, I belong from Gorakhpur and I am living in Delhi.
Okay, so please tell about your favorite place and would you want to go and would you want to go?
Like right now, I want to go in Odisha, Puri Jagannath Temple, and I will be going there in my birthday. And like that.
Okay, so why do you want to go Odisha?
um, like I read about that temple that the temple have so many magical things like whenever the prasad is made or like you can say I think prasad also yeah prasad is made it ends it don't be left over or less for anyone. That's a magical like I think that and like in YouTube videos and someone also told me that there is heart of Krishna inside the Jagannath.
Okay. So
Yes.
are you YouTuber or are you YouTuber?
Yes.
Okay. So please tell about your YouTube name.
Like there are several channel I made, but they were like they were deleted from the channel, like the YouTube. And then after some time, I made this channel, English with Prateek. And there are I think three channels that I have. One is gaming channel, one is this and one is funny videos. That's and the name of this channel is which I currently using, it is English with Prateek. And the second channel is gaming channel which is it's lightning gamer. And the third channel is funny batchit.
Okay.
Yes,
So you tell that you want to be a doctor.
yes.
Okay. So it is your dream or also your parents' dream?
No, not like my parents don't force me to become anything. They are like chill and that whatever you want to become, just like a good position in any job or and not like job, but any good position in your life and like to become good person in your life. Like not that you should do IIT or you should do any doctor like that. They don't force me, but uh, sometime I thought that I will become in 8th class. I thought that I will become IAS because of my SST teacher. She was very motivating, and when I came to ninth class, she left the school, and I was like, "What is SST? I don't like understand the SST." So I was like, "No, I can't do." But I can do, but that's like very hard. But then I loved the science subject after in ninth, like it is like interesting and the theories of the science and like are very nice.
I'm also going to perplex that. Okay. Wait. So like you you are telling that you want to be a doctor. So which type of doctor do you want to become?
Like not confirmed, but yeah, you know that those doctors which really are very not like that ki not like that they are um I really don't right now know about all the doctors, but some of I know that my grandfather, grandmothers are like doctors, and my uncle is also doctor, and my aunties are also doctor. So like that, like something I will ask from them. Currently, I don't like know too much about doctors, but like I know some things. Like
Okay. So tell about something about your school. So what is the difference? What is the difference? Others school like you go to school in which school? Okay. So why do you like most more?
in my school.
Yeah.
Yes, like in my school, whenever I like to participate in any function, they don't think that my dance or my musical or any act is bad or my looks or personality is bad, but they just see my talent and take me in the functions.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, so that means you are playing a multitasking role.
Yes. Currently,
Okay.
yes, currently I just me and my friends like won the zonals first prize in dance.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Do you like any type of game and like indoor game, and which type of game do you want to like, indoor games and outdoor games? So please explain it.
Like in outdoor games, I like to play cricket, and like in indoor, usually I play online games. But in like if I'm playing indoor, I will play with my friends like carom, chess, or any board games. Like I
Oh,
don't like Ludo, but because it's like feels like it's boring. It is boring. When your turn comes, it's like coming one or two, not like six round. Like it's boring. I think it's boring. Ludo is boring, but sometimes I play with my family.
okay. So please tell about your daily routine, that how do you spend your whole day?
Like for example, today is Sunday. Like it depends on the tuition teacher that she will keep the tuition classes or not. Like today it was the exam of science, so she kept uh, test of science. So I gone there for 1 hour or 2 hour. I don't know. I didn't counted it, and came home and eat the lunch. And right now I'm doing the call. And like in normal days, I wake up and get fresh and go to school. And after coming from the school, I usually get rest and play games or go downstairs and play with my friends outdoor games. And after coming, I do my homework, then self study, and then any studies. After that, I go to tuition and come back and eat and sleep. That's it.
Your English is so good. So how did you learn this language? That it is the environment, your total environment is English. So that you are taking the benefit. So did you try from anywhere? So how did you learn?
Like from fifth class, I joined the new school, Vandana International actually, and I was not familiar with English. And when I asked a girl that where is this class, like fifth section, and then she said in English, and I was confused where it is, because in fourth class I didn't knew English, how to speak English, and how to like know English, what the other person is saying. So after a long time, when the sixth class started, the online classes were there, and slowly the teachers started conversation in English. And not right now is my good, like right now English is not good in myself, but I'm also trying to keep it good. But I think my English is improved, and like right like in 8th class it was not good, but right now it is improving. And because it is a English medium school, only English is spoken. So by listening and speaking and writing English, so I learned in only in 3 years or 2 years.
Okay. So in which place do you want to go? Like you will have to select. In I will give you two thing. Okay. That would you want to go mountain? Okay, peak side, and you want to go in nature. Means hill station. Do you want to go, and also coastal area? So which place would you select?
Like in hill areas and like mountains area, I like that environment and those long big mountains and the trees on them. But whenever, like once, like last year, me and my parents and grandmother and grandfather gone to uh, I think West Bengal and gone to like mountain area. I didn't eat anything, but there was too much vomiting from my like I did too much vomiting, and I thought that mountains, I can't travel on mountains. And I don't like that key that mountains are not bad, but they are good. But from my side, no,
You
coastal
will
areas
prefer
only.
coastal area.
Yes,
Okay. So
forest, nature.
So, like, if you want, if you give a chance, okay, if you give a chance and if you get a chance to become a prime minister, so what do you want to be changed?
If I become a prime minister, okay, so then on that day I will like change the all the roads of the society, like the whole India will look good. And okay, like, and then I will be making houses for people who can't afford houses, food, and giving them things that they can't afford, and make the uh, like our India, like make India more good, look good and be good. That's
Okay, so nice to meeting you, and really you speak very well, and and I want to give feedback that you were the confident, and you were replying a very confident way whenever you did mistakes, so it's okay, but you were the confident. So that was the nice, and keep it up, and definitely you will learn more, and also I will also learn many things that I'm also learning this language, and we know to each other. So last 4 to 5 years we know to each other, I think. Do you remember
I
or
know.
not? Okay, but yeah, I know you. Last 4 to 5 years, like your mom were doing in B.Ed, so that's why. Uh, that's the reason I knew you through to her. Okay, so that's why. And one day we also talked about you, that she also told me that Nishi, whenever you get time, you can make video with you. So suddenly the idea came up that. Yeah, I will make video with Prateek. So last 4 to 5 years, I was thinking that I will make one video with Prateek, and yeah, that was the day. Now we are here and we are making video. So thank you once again that you gave your precious time. So I hope you enjoy your day. Okay, bye bye.
I